Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL. And today I want to take this pattern, the one that we just made, and double it. So I'm gonna take a little skinny copy of this one here, Control C, and paste it over here. And I need to slide it over to the side. Yeah, the sizes don't match up exactly, so it's not like I can copy and paste and okay, so it's on its own whatchamacallit, Control Shift A. We're on the right one here. Okay, so now I just need to make it in this top quarter area, which is a whole lot bigger because we're doubling the pattern. Oops. So there's going to be diamonds in this area, I think. Hang on. Done something wrong already. Hang on, let's back this up a bunch. Okay. What I thought was going to be easy is turning into less than easy. That goes out to the edge. That goes out to the center. There is an orange diamond here. Yellow goes around that. White is this. And the orange does this 3 times. And the yellow wraps around it. Because this is so much bigger, I don't think I'm going to be actually filling in all the underlying strings on the video itself, just because I just think it's just going to take forever. The pattern will be available over on my website, though, for anybody that wants to try it. I wasn't sure that we were going to get around to actually making this one until I finished that other bracelet and found out that the string was actually long enough to do what I wanted to do. And now that I know that, I'm really excited about the prospects of this one. Mind you, the other one took a really long time, and I can only imagine that this being twice as wide is going to mean that that one's just going to take even longer still. So there we go. Oops. And that's our stuff on the edge. It's interesting to me how the center with getting an extra row is going to just add so much more to the design of this. It's really cool. And we're hitting the end. So this is again one of the templates where it allows me to have a little bit of space, little leeway to figure out where I want to end it. Yeah, so it ends up being the same size as the first one. So we can hide our first template here, or not template, our example, and we can get our select tool and copy this side that we've created. Control C, Control V, use our flip tool. Goes over here. Layer, anchor it, merge it down. Hang on, we missed. Oh no, it's this red goes there. And yeah, the black dot goes in these. Yellow dot goes in those. If I didn't fill that in now, I just have to fill in twice as much in a moment. All right, so now the select tool for the whole top half. Control C, Control V, use our flip tool again. And go back here, anchor it, and merge it down. And this is what our bracelet will look like. The extra blue, you can ignore that. That's just the potential if we wanted to make it go even longer still, but nope, this will be plenty. It gets it down to the last little wire, but I like how this dark segment comes in, and it's going to be really, really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and finish filling all that in and have it up on my website for you guys to see. Before I go, I want to especially thank my YouTube members for making this possible. If you want to see behind the scenes shots, like even this being filmed was done live on a live stream, you can come become a member like they did. And yeah, it would be awesome to help support the channel. So guys, thank you very much. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.